Hey! Hey guys, welcome back. It is Zach's Toxic Clown, and today we're going to be playing, like I said, Happy Wheels. Now, I hope, you guys don't judge me because I'm not the best at this. But, yeah, let's just get into it. No, that's cancel. Browse levels, here we go. I'll just be starting to do, like, the first few. Yeah, here we go. The new ones. Loading. Oh, here we go. Wait, what did he say? I'm gonna read it. Webcams. Oh. Welcome to my first pogo level. I made a pogo level since I suck at everything else in life. Good luck. Well, that's nice. The first one says, careful, this is the hard one. Oh, spacebar. Oh, I cleared both of them. Oh, dang, I cleared both of them. I didn't even know. Oh, watch this. I'm going to do backflips. Oh, that was not a backflip. How do I jump two at a time? That is crazy. Okay, there's no way. This guy didn't even complete this. He just uploaded it. Ah! I made it, barely. Alright. Thug life. Aww. Thug life. Alright, you go do. I couldn't read it. Oh, made it. Oh. I'm gonna try and jump off one of these. Yeet. Yeet. What are those? No. There's no way. I tested. It's possible, but if you want to skip, you're welcome to just jump. It's really hard. Right there. That's where I said that. That's nice. Alright, let's go do a different one. Survive the boys. What? Okay. My favorite guy. Big dude. Oh no! It's hot as balls outside. Huh? Oh! Ooh. It's so slow. Yeah, I'll do helicopter guy. Helicopter guy! Goodbye, helicopter guy. Alright. I'm gonna start looking up some sword throws. This is my favorite. Random, eyes closed. What's it called? Sword throw 2. This is better than the old one. Let's see. I'm usually really good at these ones. Oh, I picked up too many. Throw them. Oh, I got the good guy. Oh. Have to restart. Oh, that's not gonna work out. Oh, did you see that? That was crazy. Dang, pro. There's no win on this, so I have to exit. Alright, let's do sword throw. Okay. Just making sure my video uploaded on, because I just finished uploading the other one. So, give me 1 second. Nope. I don't think it finished. Don't think it finished. Do 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 do. It's gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna stay on the screen till it loads. Let's play one. Oh, last guy to do it was this guy, so. Justin. What? I'm getting. JB's father. Oh. You know what? I'm going to die. I knew it happened. Oh! 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 What? What? Oh! Did you guys see that? Got to go down. Go. Wait. Yeet. Boom. Got him. Alright. How about I do 3, 4 more? In the future, I will be doing longer videos. But for now, I gotta go. Like, for real. So, bye everybody! I will be recording more tomorrow at about, tomorrow's Friday. So, about around this time, 4:30, Moline, Illinois. So, see you later.